Hey learners, welcome back to Edu Intern Voyage. Your learning journey starts.
Seven Evolution of Management Thoughts. F.W. Taylor, Henry Fayol, Elton Mayo, Peter F. Drucker. Introduction. The evolution of management thoughts refers to the development of different ideas, principles, and theories that improved the practice of management over time. Various thinkers studied organizations, human behavior, and efficiency methods, which shaped modern management. 1. F.W. Taylor. Scientific management. F.W. Taylor is known as the father of scientific management. His main focus was increasing productivity through scientific study. Key contributions: scientific study of work, use of time and motion studies to find the one best way of doing a job. Standardization of tools, methods, and working conditions. Scientific selection and training of workers rather than traditional methods. Differential piece rate system to reward efficient workers. Taylor's ideas improved factory productivity and introduced a scientific approach to management. 2. Henry Fayol. Administrative management. Henry Fayol is called the father of modern management. He focused on overall management rather than shop floor operations. Key contributions: developed 14 principles of management, such as discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, centralization, scholar chain, etc. Identified 5 functions of management: planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Emphasized that management is a universal process applicable to all organizations. Fayol's work laid the foundation for today's functional organization structure. 3. Elton Mayo. Human relations theory. Elton Mayo introduced the human relations approach through the Hawthorne experiments. Key contributions: highlighted the importance of human behavior, motivation, and group dynamics. Found that workers are motivated not only by money but also by recognition, social belonging, and good supervision. Emphasized informal groups, teamwork, and employee satisfaction. Mayo's theory shifted management focus from machines to people, marking the birth of modern HRM. 4. Peter F. Drucker. Modern management. Peter Drucker is known as the father of modern management. Key contributions: introduced management by objectives, MBO. Stressed innovation, entrepreneurship, and customer orientation. Viewed employees as valuable resources, not costs. Believed that managers must adapt to change and manage knowledge workers. Drucker's ideas shaped today's strategic management practices and modern business models. 8. Functions of management. Management functions refer to the set of activities that managers perform to achieve organizational goals effectively and efficiently. These functions help in planning work, organizing resources, guiding employees, and ensuring that the desired results are achieved. Henry Fayol was the first to classify the functions of management, and today, they are widely accepted as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. 1. Planning. Planning is the first and most important function of management. It involves deciding in advance what to do, when to do, how to do, and who will do it. Planning sets goals, forecasts future conditions, and prepares strategies to achieve objectives. Good planning helps reduce risks, save time, and provide direction to the organization. 2. Organizing. Organizing involves arranging resources such as men, materials, money, and machines in a systematic manner. It includes identifying tasks, grouping them into departments, assigning responsibilities, and establishing authority relationships. A good organizational structure ensures smooth workflow and efficient utilization of resources. 3. Staffing. Staffing refers to recruiting, selecting, training, and placing the right person in the right job. It focuses on developing human resources through career planning, performance appraisal, and motivation. Effective staffing helps build a competent workforce and increases productivity. 4. Directing. Directing is the process of guiding, supervising, motivating, and communicating with employees. It includes giving instructions, providing leadership, and ensuring that employees work towards organizational goals. Motivation, communication, and leadership are key elements of directing. A good manager inspires employees and maintains a positive work environment. 5. Coordinating. Coordinating ensures alignment and harmony among all departments and employees. It integrates individual and group efforts to achieve common goals. Coordination avoids duplication, reduces conflict, and promotes teamwork. It acts as the essence of management because it connects all other functions. 6. Controlling. Controlling involves measuring actual performance, comparing it with the planned standards, and taking corrective actions if needed. It ensures that activities proceed as per plan and organizational goals are achieved. Key steps include setting standards, evaluating performance, and implementing improvements. Control helps maintain discipline and enhances efficiency. 9. Trends and challenges of modern management. Modern management is continuously evolving due to rapid changes in technology, globalization, workforce diversity, and competitive business environments. Managers today must adapt to new trends and overcome several challenges to ensure organizational success. The major trends and challenges are explained below. 1. Technological advancement. One of the major trends in modern management is the adoption of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, automation, data analytics, cloud computing, and digital communication tools. Managers must continuously update their technical knowledge to handle digital systems and ensure employees adapt to new technologies. The challenge lies in managing technological change, maintaining cybersecurity, and training employees to use modern tools effectively. 2. Globalization. Businesses are no longer restricted to national boundaries. Managers operate in a global market with international customers, suppliers, and competitors. The trend towards globalization creates opportunities for expansion but also challenges such as managing cross-cultural teams, handling global competition, and complying with international laws and trade regulations. 3. Workforce diversity. Modern organizations consist of employees from different cultures, languages, genders, ages, and educational backgrounds. Diversity brings creativity and innovation. However, the challenge for managers is to ensure effective communication, resolve conflicts, and create an inclusive work environment where every employee feels valued. 4. Focus on ethics and social responsibility. Today's organizations are expected to behave ethically and contribute to society. Trends such as corporate social responsibility, CSR, sustainability, and environmental protection influence management decisions. Managers must balance profit-making with ethical practices, transparency, and environmental care, which can be challenging under pressure from competition. 5. Need for innovation and change management. Modern businesses must constantly innovate their products, services, and processes. Managers face the challenge of managing change, reducing employee resistance, and fostering a culture of creativity. A trend is the increasing importance of innovation-driven strategies to remain competitive. 6. Employee expectations and work-life balance. Employees today expect flexible working hours, remote work options, career growth, and supportive work culture. Managers must address these expectations to retain talent while ensuring organizational productivity. The challenge lies in balancing employee satisfaction with organizational goals. 10. Managers' qualifications. 1. Qualifications of a manager. A manager needs a combination of education, skills, and personal qualities. A. Educational qualification. A basic degree in management, commerce, or related fields. Professional courses like MBA, BBA, M.Com, or specialized management training strengthen managerial ability. B. Technical skills. Knowledge related to industry operations, use of technology, and understanding of tools required for the job. C. Human and communication skills. Ability to communicate clearly, motivate employees, resolve conflicts, and maintain good relationships. D. Conceptual and analytical skills. Capability to understand business processes, analyze problems, and make strategic decisions. E. Personal qualities. Leadership, confidence, patience, honesty, creativity, and adaptability are essential for effective management. 11 Duties of a manager. Managers perform a wide range of duties to ensure organizational efficiency. A. Planning. Setting objectives and preparing short-term and long-term plans. B. Organizing. Assigning tasks, delegating authority, and arranging resources for smooth workflow. C. Directing. Guiding and motivating employees to perform efficiently. D. Coordinating. Ensuring all departments and employees work together harmoniously. E. Controlling. Monitoring performance, comparing it with standards, and taking corrective actions. F. Decision making. Taking important decisions related to operations, employees, and business strategies. 12 Responsibilities of a manager. Managers hold major responsibilities that ensure organizational success. A. Achieving goals. Making sure organizational objectives are met within time and budget. B. Managing people. Developing employees through training, maintaining discipline, and solving problems. C. Maintaining work environment. Creating a positive, productive, and safe workplace. D. Communication. Acting as a bridge between top-level management and employees by sharing information effectively. E. Innovation and change. Encouraging new ideas, adapting to market changes, and improving processes. F. Ethical conduct. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and social responsibility in business operations. Unit 2 Planning and Decision Making. 2 marks. 1 Planning meaning. Planning is the process of deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and who will do it.
If you are a BCom student who wants simple, clear, and reliable study content, subscribe to Edu Intern Voyage, like the videos, and start your learning journey today.